Thank you, Harbor Freight, for this new 3-ton. Now we got work to do. So, as you can see, she's being stripped. I'm taking the front end off. I'm gonna do some things to the front. But for the most part, I'm gonna take the motor apart, do some cleaning up and rebuild, and throw that bitch right back in. Took the fenders off already, the headlights out, put some tape over a couple things. Then trying to pull this fucker out. See, most of my content was about the K series. Never really showed the B like that. But now you're about to see the B like that. Now you're about to see the B. And then look, I'm taking her out today. Hopefully there's a little car meet or car event. Either way, I'm going for a cruise. You've seen what I did. We'll talk about that. Took that off. Yeah, but she's ready. Did an oil change on it. She's ready to go out. Oh yeah, remember my Amazon guy? Well, there goes my package. Brand new headlights. Gotta see where I'm going. It's too fast not to see. And then back to stripping. So I'm about to strip and keep you guys posted.